is no accident that the one in the middle, the ringleader of the bunch, looks an awful lot like Christian Bale. It looks like Batman, or certainly the stereotype, or the archetype of Bruce Wayne as an adult. We are seeing some version of Bruce Wayne, or at least in the mind of our audience, to elicit sympathy, teasing, and beating up the Joker.
Toilet Bug in the chat room agrees with you.
Okay, I'll take that.
I got nothing for you there. I didn't notice it at all in my viewing, and I don't really remember them well enough to say one way or another whether they struck me that way or not.
There were a number of moments that were like that I thought too good to be accidental. Another one of those is as we pan through Arkham, and you might imagine that the script would say, crazy people make crazy hand motions